My research question is, how can Schieblock facilitate a tool for analog visual creation or image making? I want to approach this project as an investigation into how seemingly obsolete technology can be repurposed for our digital age. The visual results of my research should be made through the Schieblock area. During the past weeks, I've tried different methods of image making and data collection, distorting the images through objects that I found there, photographing images in a 40 by 40 centimeter square, blocks of Schieblock, and analyzing the objects and materials found. Now, after the research period, I found the direction in which I want to go for the site-specific artwork. While trying to find different ways to distort images from the Schieblock, I found patterns and lines that were either created by the Schieblock or the people in it, or by me through the Schieblock. For example, I used a pink rope to make patterns by following the objects that stood in the way of the rope. I documented these patterns by taking pictures from different perspectives and redrawing them. I have experimented with different layers of distortion by writing scores for myself in 4 categories: analog, intuitive, by AI, and object distortion, so by letting objects from Schieblock in front of the lens distort the image. My conclusion at this point is to continue with a combination of them, but by making a generative distortion device in After Effects that distorts the images in the same way to a coherent whole, a series of lines, patterns and shapes found in and through the Schieblock. As an extra layer of distortion, I want to engrave or print the negatives on plexiglass and insert them in an old TIA projector. I want to project them on the facade of Poing Club, as a lot of Vedic art students and artists come here, and because on the date of the presentations, it is one of the last club nights of Poing.